How to delete your reels on Facebook. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your reels on Facebook. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store. On the top search bar you need to search for Facebook. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Facebook. After that, simply open and log into your Facebook account. Now go on your profile section on the top left side. Now when you go on the post, you will see it right here. So when you tap on the more option, you will also be able to see the videos and also the post about yourself. Now when you tap on the post, here is the reel that I shared. Now I want to delete it. Then how you can delete is tap on the three horizontal dots where on the reel on the top right side. Now if you want to edit, save or pin the reel, then you can simply do that. But you want to delete the reel, then if you want to just repost the reel again, then you can simply move into archive so that you can again repost the reel. But if you want to delete the reel completely, then you can tap on move to bin option and tap on the move option. Like this, the reel is already recycled on your bin. Now you will need to go on your recycle bin and then delete it permanently from your recycle bin to delete it from your Facebook. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below.